The air quality this morning improved ever so slightly in Boise for those commutes to work. We have seen levels close to moderate in the city of trees. Again, that is subject to change at any point in time. It could get a little better in the afternoon if our breeze switches patterns as well, switches directions, and then it could come on thick once again. So that smoke is still really going to stay top of mind for the several days ahead of us. We're also now seeing that heat pick back up. We're reaching triple digits, likely widespread by Thursday, and that's also going to bring us very slight relief overnight. Valleys may only stay in the 60s or 70s overnight, so we won't cool down too much. Right now, we've seen winds pretty northerly for most of the morning today. That means the winds are coming from the north, which typically has some cleaner air, but we do expect the winds to become westerly in the afternoon, which will then transport more of that direct wildfire smoke from eastern Oregon into southwest Idaho. So that is something that we're still watching, as there are fires burning almost all around us to the northwest, the west, the southwest in relation to Boise as well. I will say, according to this model of Futurecast, looks like by Thursday evening or even Friday morning, we might see some improvements. Once again, the greens and the yellow colors showing that there's a lower amount of smoke in the air at this time. It's not predicting air quality, but just smoke density. So there might be a little bit of relief from the smoke Thursday afternoon or evening into Friday early morning. So your commute may look a little better, hopefully having some better visibility there. But notice that the lower Treasure Valley, western Idaho, still has some of those dense amounts of smoke. Now, high pressure is building into the Pacific Northwest along the west coast. It's bringing our temperatures upward over the next couple of days. Today we're going to be pretty close to what's normal for this time of year, the beginning of August. 95 this afternoon in Boise, mid-90s for most of the Treasure Valley. The Magic Valley might be a few degrees cooler, as are the mountains, but 85 for McCall. That's something that's pretty seasonable for this time of year. However, as the warm-up continues, we will be hotter than what's seasonable for this time of year. Thursday, west central mountains will likely be in the low 90s. Friday could be the peak heat day for higher elevations before staying there for a couple days into the start of the weekend, likely cooling a few degrees by the beginning of the next work week. Haze and heat are going to be our main concerns over the next few days. We are watching the possibility of a monsoon shower or two come Saturday. Chances look very low at this point, but something that we're keeping an eye on, worth a mention, and something that we would hope for as the haze and the heat stick around.